Hey friends, if you wish to print Google Docs on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Click on File, select Print, and then you will get a preview here. You can select your printer, and then you can select which pages you want, the current one, odd pages, maybe even pages, or custom. Or usually we select all, and then you can select the color mode if it's available. You can select the page size. Okay, I select A4. You can select the option to page to fit to page width. Though you can also choose a different scale, but that's up to you. And you can choose number of pages per sheet, and then you can select the margins. You can also change the margins from here or indentation from the formatting tab itself. And then finally, you can click on print. Okay, and then you can choose the location and click on print. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.